The product zone. Today we're gonna unbox and test out the new Narbell cordless leaf blower. Now this is a super lightweight, fast charging, powerful leaf blower. If you have wrist problem, back problem, or you're not that strong, this is the leaf blower for you. It's lightweight. Use with one hand. You could blow off the snow off your car. You could blow off the leaves around your back patio, front patio. You could use it for blow off everything, dirt, dust, sand. This is in the box. It comes with a beautiful machine. You can see the beautiful color. I love the green on it. Yeah, man. And it's really light. Like, it's literally lightweight. So you can see the logo right there. Beautiful. Feels decent. And you can see how this is bent. It comes with an angle, so while you're blowing, it could hit more of an angle. I'm gonna put this to the test. You guys know in Product Zone we test everything out. Beautiful 20-volt lithium battery. I love the color. So they said this is a fast charging battery, so it lasts about 15 minutes non-stop of just blowing leaf constantly. So all you have to do, it's very easy. You could see this hole right here, and this right here just snaps in just like that, easily. Look, I'm just doing it with one hand. That's how easy this thing is right there. And we're just gonna put this in here and come right here, and we just put this with right there, a little click, and clip it on right there. And then when you're ready to take it out, you just push this down, pull it out. But you could see it's beautiful. This is perfect, especially in the you have an RV or a boat, or even my greenhouse over there. This is perfect. All right, so we got a bunch of leaves over here. Let's test this bad boy out. Oh wow, that's not bad. Oh, with the angle, you could see when you put it up close, you could literally see it. It's powerful for a little lightweight leaf blower. Is not bad. Look at this, and it's light. One hand use. Anyone could use it. A kid, an old person. If you got wrist problem, back problem, you don't have to worry about this. This thing is no joke, man. Pretty good. Don't forget to check in the description box for a price and details, and get your hand on this lightweight, best budget leaf blower. All right, so I'm ending up doing up the whole driveway right now by just pressing this button now, and it's been about 10 minutes right now running on this battery. It's pretty decent. As you can see, everything is just running downward. All right, definitely for a lightweight, cheap, best budget leaf blower, definitely get your hand on this. It's a brand new leaf blower. Overall, it's 33 inches in length. It's 145 miles per an hour. Volt battery. The color is beautiful. The green with the white and the black is gorgeous. It's made well. It's not heavy duty made. Please do not comment and rip me apart. It's not made for heavy duty. Light work, light duty, lightweight, fast charging battery, lasts for 15 minutes. If you're looking for not to spend a lot of money and just want something simple, you know, sturdy and lightweight, and get your hands, you know, a small backyard or patio or wherever you want to blow and clean up, this is definitely, I recommend this for light work. It's a good brand, it's decent, and it's not bad. The budget price really well. Thank you for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos. We have a lot of product and reviews. And if you would like to feature your product, email me, check in the description box, or email me, send me out your product. We like to put it to the test, and we give honest review here. If you sell a crappy stuff, I'm sorry, we will say it's crappy. All right, but this is, it's not bad. As I said, lightweight.